My name is Cameron with Visionaire Windows, and this is 5 benefits to new windows. Number 1, curb appeal and resale value. New windows can really boost the look of your home. Getting new windows can give you options as far as looks and styles. This can be a factor for the buyer. New windows should not need any maintenance. Plus, the windows may have a warranty, meaning if something goes wrong, it is covered. Number 2, lower energy bills. New windows can help keep your energy bills down. Air infiltration is a big factor, and new windows will have a higher air infiltration rating than older windows. Number 3, safety. Safety is always important. New windows have a variety of safety features to help keep your home safe. One feature is tempered glass, which is designed to break into smaller pieces instead of splintering into big shards. Number 4, multiple layers of watershed and protection. No one likes water in your home. That is where the multiple layers of watershed and protection come in. If installed properly, new windows will help shed water away from your home. This will help cut down the risk of mold forming, which is a serious health risk. Number 5, easy operation and maintenance. New windows mean great function. No more struggling with stubborn windows that won't open or close. Easy to clean, durability, and quality construction are all features to look for. Our new windows come with easy tilt sashes, making exterior cleaning a breeze. Do you think your home can use any of these upgrades? Contact us at Visionaire Windows. We'll help you out. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up. If you want to see more content like this, smash the subscribe button.